Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of YesStyle app. You will click on settings as you see and you will enter. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about the application of YesStyle and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.